Many schools across the globe have expressed a desire to offset their environmental impact. But the question many ask is where and how do we start? This can be done via carbon offsetting.
Carbon offset is a platform where people, these are individuals, corporates, governments, can come and offset their carbon footprints by purchasing of carbon credits. And in that money is reinvested back to communities that live within the forest so that they can make sure that the forests are well managed and protected so that we can reduce the impacts of climate change.
Many offset projects are run poorly or provide no additionality, meaning they do nothing. Multiple parties count the same credit, and nature-based projects take land and resources away from local communities that need it most. Some offset projects are not verified, and many that are still face these problems. Because of this, carbon offsetting has become a tool for carbon laundering, greenwashing, and a license to keep polluting, which is why it's so important that when you take climate action, it is done in the right way, in the right projects.
The Kapes Corridor REDD+ project is unique on its own, and this is because of the structures that we've managed to set up together with communities. We started the process together with the landowners and communities, and that has played a key part in making sure that everything is transparent and there's a kind of an open book kind of a policy. Communities and landowners, they know exactly where the funds came from, how much it is, and how it's going to be spent. So this has made it to be more unique. There's that accountability of funds when they trickle down.
This is why we've created the School Carbon Offset Fund. By enrolling in the fund, you'll be joining forces with other like-minded, eco-conscious schools. The REDD+ project creates sustainable job opportunities in a local community so that the people there do not have to resort to cutting down trees or poaching animals in order to earn a living.
Carbon offset can work. It has worked here. We've seen it working here at the Kapes Corridor REDD+ project area, and we've done a lot actually. We can see there's a very positive impact that has been created around. We used to have issues concerning poor education standards, but through the REDD+ project, we've been able to build schools, build classes, sponsor students. We've worked with different stakeholders in making sure that we improve the health sector. We've made sure that through the REDD+ project, communities can get clean and safe water, and other many things that communities had prioritized. So this is something that is working.
We all know that we are in the midst of a climate crisis, and if we do not drastically reduce our footprint, future generations will inherit a planet where climate change has wreaked havoc on people's livelihoods and communities.
What I'll tell educators or schools in more developed countries is to understand that we only have one planet that is called Earth, and we have to protect it. Regardless of the activities that we do, we have to be environmental conscious.
Now is the time to combine our knowledge with action to create positive change. You can take informed climate action by enrolling in our School Carbon Offset Fund today.